Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a short video on a couple of integration problems, one of which is integration by substitution that we're doing in week 12, and another one is on integration where you need to use a trig identity to get any further. Let's have a look at this first one here. It's by substitution. So what we do for any of these is to say, start off with let u equal root x. Okay, that means that u squared is going to equal x. Now that's helpful. Remember that in all of these examples we need to find dx, so that means that if u squared equals x, then the derivative of the left-hand side is 2u, and the derivative of the right-hand side is dx by du. And if we were to rearrange that, then 2u du equals dx, and it's that dx that we can put up there. Okay, so if we rewrite the original question in terms of u and fill in what we've got, now we've got an expression that's all in u. We can put the 2 out the front. And you'll see then that we can divide by u and cancel the u's out, and we're left with 2 times the integral of e to the u du, which is just plain e to the u. Now don't forget we need to replace the u with whatever it was, and in this case u is root x. Plus c. The second question is not by substitution as it happens. It is by finding an appropriate trig identity that we can use to simplify the integrate the thing that we want to integrate. So let's have a look at it. If you look in the list of trig identities, we can see, go away, we can see that if we had sine 5x cos 3x, that we can replace that using the identity by half sine. Now the one that I'm using is the sine a cos b identity. I can replace this with 5x plus 3x plus sine 5x minus 3x. Now I haven't done any calculus, I'm just using trig identity to tidy things up. So I've got then on my right hand side here that this is half sine 8x plus sine 2x. So I've used trig to help me get to where I need to be, because now I need to find the integral. Okay, so the integral of half, well, we'll leave the half outside. The integral of sine 8x is going to be negative 1 over 8 cos 8x, and the integral of sine 2x would be minus 1 over 2 cos 2x. And then we're virtually done. Simplify a little, negative 1 over 16 cos 8x minus 1 over 4 cos 2x plus c. So this is not substitution. This is where we need to find a trig identity that simplifies what we've got. Okay.